In this demonstration, I'm going to go over Cygen's new conditional redaction functionality. And conditional redaction combines our document classification and data extraction capabilities with our redaction capabilities. So I can look at a form, identify the form, and then assign a custom profile or overlay to redact confidential information. It's very fast, so if you're doing a high volume of documents and forms and you don't want to go through the labor of doing the entire OCR process, this works very, very well and very quick technology. So let's go ahead and import, and I'll give you a quick overview as I import these files on how the process actually works. So what we'll do, we'll go ahead and select the document type, and in this example I'm just going to import a PDF that I've built to demonstrate the capabilities here. And what you'll see is that I've got 3 separate documents, each a page long. And to illustrate how the functionality works, I've built these custom forms. And you'll see Form A has the item to redact over here to the right. Form B has it down to the lower right. And Form C has it down on the lower left. So typically you could use an OCR based redaction technology, which we have in the product, to do this, but it can be quite time consuming, especially if you have very large volumes or many different forms. So with this functionality I can build profiles, classify the document, and then overlay the redaction template onto the page. So you're going to see it's going to go through the indexing process. The product's going to actually classify each of these forms. And you can look here that it identified this as Form A, this is Form B, and this is Form C. Now I can perform conditional redaction and profile application based on where I find the information on the page. So now, if I look at the results from a redaction perspective in our quality assurance module, you can see Form A, it found it to the right, or applied the template for the data to the right. Form B got classified, applied the proper template. Form C, the same thing. Now the real power in the product is you can apply this classification redaction for speed of processing, but you can also have a fallback. So if it fails to identify the form, you can tell it to look for a particular pattern or word on the page, and it'll do that, do the pattern matching, and then redact based on the pattern. So you can combine all these different methods of redaction along with manual redaction to make sure that you get all the information protected that you need to within the document. So that's a quick overview. If you have any questions or you want to see a live demo, contact sales@cygen.com. Thank you.